Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win. That's why I'ma try again.
Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. If I haven't said it enough, I'm going to say it again. I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time out to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos and subscribing to my channel, people. Big up in yourself. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. You see me? So today, people, once again, we are going to talk about coronavirus. There's a spike in coronavirus throughout Jamaica right now. There is a spike where I get like 116 a day now. And as I said before, people, Jamaica is a very small island. So if we get 116 a day, people, that is a lot. May I tell you, if you're a small island, people, that's a lot. So the people them who was catching corona, we never know them name. But this time, we have a well-known person that has caught it in Jamaica. This is probably the first public figure in Jamaica to catch coronavirus. Or it's alleged that he has caught it. Because according to media reports, he still hasn't got back his results as yet. So social media know say him have it before him actually know him have it. And we're talking about Usain Bolt, people.
Good morning, everybody. Just waking up, and like everybody has checked social media, saw that social media saying I'm confirmed to have COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work. Trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay from my friends, and also having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself. And wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, you should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy. And just to make people know, be safe out there. All right? Cool.
Usain Bolt has allegedly contracted the coronavirus, the COVID-19. And people, this thing is serious, you know. I'm not gonna lie, this is serious. And Bolt recently have a young baby, and we have to take that into consideration. We have to make sure the family is well. We have to make sure his little daughter is well and is well taken care of, because coronavirus serious, people. And people, we cannot keep blaming the government because the government called election. Usain Bolt's birthday was the other day, and there is numerous videos. When I saw the videos during the week, earlier in the week, all I said was corona.
Turn on your yard. Corona. Who tell us that we left China?
Corona. That's what I said at first, people. I was just joking, because every time I see a bunch of people link up, me always think say some coronavirus it is gonna spread or somebody gonna catch it, because you don't know who have it. So at this breakfast party that Bolt had, there's a bunch of artists that was there. Ding Dong, Christopher Martin, you have footballers, you have Leon Bailey, you have Raheem Sterling, and everybody was having a good time being mask free.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Because me never see nobody wearing a mask. Everybody was just enjoying themselves. And news today is that Bolt have the coronavirus, people. So now, people, if he does have it, news reports are saying it's alleged. Him not get back him result it. He's just isolating. So people, if he does have it, you know what that means? Everybody that he was mingling with have to go get tested now. Have to go get tested, people. Like, everybody that was hugging him, shaking him hand, was around him, have to go get some sort of test, people. Because that's how the thing spread. You don't know if you have it, you don't know if you catch it. So you have to be careful, because even Beanie Man recently had a birthday party And some of the artists that was at Bolt's party was at Beanie Man's party. So it's like, be a free hug and be everything I go on and them party people. Trouble. So, you don't know what is what. You don't know who have it. That's what I tell people. It's not that hard to stay home, you know. You know, that hard for just stay home and build. A lot of people can say it was wrong for the government call election at this time, even though them have, I think, like 7 months before they could have called it, because it's a constitutional right. Them have to call the general election at some point, every 4 years, but you have to call general election. You can, a person can serve 10 years in office. You see me? Election have to get called. So people might say government shouldn't have called election at this time, but people, you have to take it up. You have to be responsible. We're all adults here. You have to be responsible and take it up in your hand and know, say, me not go out there go do careless things, and me not go out there go put myself in jeopardy, because this thing is killing people. A lot of people have died in Jamaica already, and internationally people have died. So we have to be more responsible people. And I wish both the best, you know, like him saying never have no symptoms or nothing, which is a good sign. But speedy recovery if you have it. And, you know, just all the person that was there, you know, go get tested. Ding dong, everybody me are calling out. You know, go get tested. Kind of have family and friends who wasn't at the party, but, you know, go mingle with them and go hug them again. And you see, it's just a domino effect, me I tell the people. That's why you have to just be careful. You see me? Alright, so people, thank you once again for watching. I appreciate it. And if I get any more updates on this bold COVID case, I will get back to you. Alright? Big up on yourself, people. One love.